She said, I want to become a great public speaker. Would you mentor me for my first Toastmaster speech? Let me power you within. Hi, kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share a story with you on intuition. Over my career, it has not been uncommon for colleagues to come to me for help, or I was put in a position of mentoring someone in their role. One of my sweet colleagues came to me and opened up about wanting to become a great public speaker and asked me to mentor her. My manager had already given her tips, but reading her, she also needed a woman's view. I was flat out on an intense project, but she would patiently wait for after hours, eager to learn. I'm trained as an international speaker, not from Toastmaster. So I inspired her with examples of topics she could choose from and gave her how-tos and the things not to do. We only had time for 3 sessions before her first Toastmaster speech. She won the Toastmaster on that first speech. By the way, she was still learning English. Through intuition, I know what people need to hear in order to move them forward, inspire, motivate, train, and empower them. This is how I get the results as a mentor, as a project manager, as an intuitive, as an advisor. What if I could empower your executive, your managers in a way nobody else can?